Hi guys, this is Pri. Welcome to our channel IELTS with Pri and Aman at IELTS Success Academy. If you are new to our channel, consider subscribing our channel and make sure to hit the like button and also share it with your friends. So in this video, we will be discussing how to solve maps in listening. So I had scored band 9 in both my listening test, academic as well as general, and I am going to share some useful tips with all of you so that you can also achieve the same band scores in your exam and not fear about any type of questions. So let's begin. Let's look at an example and solve it together. I'll first give you a chance to do the question on your own, and then after each question I will be explaining how you could locate the answer.
Now listen and answer questions 14 to 20.
Okay, so this slide shows a map of the central area of Granford with the High Street in the middle and School Road on the right. Now, we already have a set of traffic lights in the High Street at the junction with Station Road, but we're planning to have another set at the other end at the School Road junction to regulate the flow of traffic along the High Street.
Alright, question number 14. They are asking to find the new traffic lights. So this is what you just heard. Okay, so this slide shows a map of the central area of Granford with the High Street in the middle. So this is the High Street and School Road on the right. So this is the School Road here. Also, if you can check the heading of the map which says proposed traffic changes in Granford. That means whatever you are going to be listening, it is going to be related to traffic or it will be regarding traffic. Also, there is a key here which gives the direction which I am highlighting in pink, and they will probably be referring to this in terms of direction north, south, east, west. Now we already have a set of traffic lights in the high street. So they are saying there are already traffic lights in the high street at the junction with Station Road. So junction means where two streets meet. That means this is the high street which is highlighted in green, and Station Road I am highlighting in yellow. So junction means the meeting point. So the one that is in pink, the letter A, that is the junction of Station Road and High Street. Okay, so they are saying there are already lights there, traffic lights are already installed there, but we are planning to have another set at the other end. Okay, so the new traffic lights, they are saying it is going to be at the other end. That means the side opposite to this one. So that means it should be somewhere on this side which I highlighted in blue at the School Road junction. So there is only one thing which is at the junction of High Street and School Road, which is letter E. That is what I am highlighting here to regulate the flow or traffic along the high street. So answer should be E. So let's write E here. Okay.
We've decided we definitely need a pedestrian crossing. We considered putting this on School Road, just outside the school, but in the end we decided that could lead to a lot of traffic congestion. So we decided to locate it on the High Street, crossing the road in front of the supermarket. That's a very busy area, so it should help things there.
Question number 15. They are asking to find out the pedestrian crossing. So this is what you just heard. We are decided we definitely need a pedestrian crossing. We considered putting this on School Road just outside the school. So school is here. School Road is this one which I am highlighting in pink. So they first thought that it would be just outside the school on School Road. That means letter G. But in the end, we decided that could lead to a lot of traffic congestion. So as you all can see, there is a contrasting word which is but here. That means what they said in the beginning, they will now be saying something contrasting or opposite to that. So this letter G that they were referring to was a trap to confuse you. Okay. So now let's continue. So we decided to locate it on the high street. Okay. So high street is here in green, crossing the road in front of the supermarket. Supermarket is this one, and there is only one letter which is in front of the supermarket, which is letter D. So answer should be D. Okay. So the first part of the talk was to confuse you. So this should not be the answer. The correct answer should be letter D. So let's write D here.
We're proposing some changes to parking. At present, parking isn't allowed on the high street outside the library, but we're going to change that and allow parking there, but not at the other end of the high street near School Road.
Alright. Question number 16. They are asking to find out parking allowed. Okay. So this is what you just heard. We are proposing some changes to parking. At present, parking isn't allowed on the high street outside the library. So they are saying currently parking is not allowed on high street. High street is this one and library is here. So just outside the library, there is only one letter here which I am highlighting in blue, which is letter B. So currently they are saying that parking is not allowed. But we are going to change that and allow parking there. So they are saying now they will be allowing parking at this point. Okay. So answer should be B, but not at the other end of High Street near School Road. So let's write B here. Okay.
There'll be a new no parking sign on School Road just by the entrance to the school, forbidding parking for 25 metres. This should improve visibility for drivers and pedestrians, especially on the bend just to the north of the school.
Question number 17. New no parking sign. So they are asking you to find the new no parking sign. So this is what you just heard. There will be a new no parking sign on School Road. So School Road is here, just by the entrance to the school. So school entrance means the entry point of the school. Okay. So there is only one letter here, which is letter G. Just by the entrance to the school, forbidding parking for 25 meters. Forbidding means not allowing parking or no parking for 25 meters. This should improve visibility for drivers and pedestrians, especially on the bend just to the north of the school. So they are saying that they want to have the new no parking sign at point G because they think it will improve the visibility for drivers. That means drivers can see better while they are driving. So answer should be G. So let's write G here.
As far as disabled drivers are concerned, at present they have parking outside the supermarket, but lorries also use those spaces, so we've got two new disabled parking spaces on the side road up towards the bank. It's not ideal, but probably better than the present arrangement.
Question number 18. They are asking you to find new disabled parking spaces. So disabled parking spaces means those that are used by disabled or handicapped people. Okay, those who require more accessibility. For those people, they are asking you to find out the parking space location. So this is what you just heard. As far as disabled drivers are concerned, at present they have parking outside the supermarket, but lorries also use those spaces. So they are saying that currently they have parking outside the supermarket, but lorries are also using that same space. So we've got two new disabled parking spaces on the side road up towards the bank. So bank is here, which I have highlighted in green, and side road is this one. Okay. So they are saying that it will be on the side road towards the bank. So there is only one letter here, which is letter C. Okay. So answer should be C. So let's write C here.
We also plan to widen the pavement on School Road. We think we can manage to get an extra half metre on the bend just before you get to the school, on the same side of the road.
Question number 19. They are asking you to find the widened pavement. Pavement means road and widened means bigger than the current one. That means wider than the current road. So this is what you just heard. We also plan to widen the pavement on school road. So school road is this one, we already now know, but I am still highlighting in green. We think we can manage to get an extra half meter on the bend just before you get to the school. So this is the bend, okay, before the school. School is here on the same side of the road. So this is the school which I have highlighted in green, and on the same side there is only one letter, which is letter H. Okay, so answer should be H. So let's write H.
Finally, we've introduced new restrictions on loading and unloading for the supermarket, so lorries will only be allowed to stop there before 8 a.m. That's the supermarket on School Road. We kept to the existing arrangements with the High Street supermarket.
So the last question is question number 20, and they are asking you to find out the lorry loading or unloading restrictions. So lorry is basically kind of truck, which most of you already know. Alright, so this is what you just heard. Finally, we have introduced new restrictions on loading and unloading for the supermarket. So lorries will only be allowed to stop there before 8 a.m. That's the supermarket on School Road. So since you can see there are two supermarket here, one here and the other here. So they are now trying to be more specific by saying the supermarket on School Road. That means you have to look at this supermarket, okay? The one on School Road. So there is only one letter, which is letter I here. So answer should be I. So the last part of the talk says we kept to the existing arrangements with the High Street supermarket. So High Street is this one, the one that I highlighted in green. So the supermarket that is on High Street, which is this one, they are saying that they are having the same arrangements here. Okay. So this part is just to confuse you. But you already found the answer earlier when they said that that's the supermarket on School Road. So answer should be I. So let's write I here. Okay. So this is how you solve map questions in listening. It is very important to hear every word and also lay stress on contrasting words. In this listening, particularly, you heard that they are trying to tell you something, but then using contrasting words like but or however, they are trying to change and then get to the answer or get to the point or topic. Okay, so it is very important to listen to the complete sentence before coming to any kind of answer. Thank you for your time, everyone. If you did like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. Till then, take care and see you soon. Bye bye.